Hello my dear students, I am Payal and welcome back to my channel Ganit Mathematics Classes. So in today's class we will discuss how to represent a rational number on the number line and how to find rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay, so first topic is representation of rational number on the number line. Now we know that a number line can be extended in both sides of 0. Okay. So suppose this is the number line and let us mark this part as 0. Then we can extend this line and definitely in both the sides, that means this is the positive side and this one is the negative side of the number line. Okay. Then we can represent 1, say 2 and in this side it will be -1, -2 like this. Okay, so come to the topic is we want to represent a rational number, say half. Okay, now before starting it, we have to find out two whole numbers between which this particular rational number lies. Okay, so why? Because in the number line, we have to mark 0 and a particular number between which this rational number lies. Okay, that's why we have to find it out. Okay, so just recall which whole number is just less than 1. 0. Okay, now if we write 0 by 2, it will be equal to 0 again. Okay, now that is the rational number, whole number which is just bigger than 1 is 2 and 2 by 2 is equals to 1. That means 0 by 2 is less than 1 by 2 is less than 2 by 2. That means that 0 is less than half is less than 1. That means what? This rational number half lies between 0 and 1. Okay. So 0 already we have marked here. Let us mark 1. That means what? 1 means 2 by 2. Now we have to represent half here. Okay. So half. That means the denominator says that this particular number line we have to divide into two equal parts. Okay. Now let us take the ruler 0 and this is 12. So just we have to divide this number line into two equal halves. That means the middle point 0 and it is 12. The middle point will be 6. We will mark here. Okay. Now let us work this. So this point will be 1 by 2. Okay, this is very easy. Just we have to find out within which two whole numbers the particular given rational number lies. Okay. So I think this is clear to you. Next is okay. Now to make the concept more clear, let us discuss one more rational number 1 by 8 to represent 1 by 8 on the number line. Okay. As I said, the denominator says the number of equal parts into which the first unit has been divided. Okay. And the numerator tells how many of these parts are considered. That means the denominator says and the number line how many parts you have to divide it, and the numerator, that means this one will say that how many parts we have to consider. Okay, this is 1 by 8. 1 by 8. So the whole number just smaller than 1 is 0. So 0 by 8 we can write as that means it is 0 only. Now the number just bigger than 1 is 2. But 2 by 8 is again a rational number. We can't convert it to the whole number. Then 3 by 8, 4 by 8, no, we can't. Then 5 by 8, no. 6 by 8 also, we can't convert to a whole number. 7 by 8, no. 8 by 8. So 8 by 8 we can write it as 1. Okay. That means this particular number 1 by 8 lies between 0 and 1. Okay. So let us mark this point as 0 and okay. Let us first take the ruler. And how many parts we have to divide? Denominator is 8, that means 8 equal parts. In 8 equal parts, we have to divide this number line. Okay. So at 16, let us consider it as 1. That means 8 by 8. Okay. Now 0 and 16. I will have to divide it into 8 equal parts. That means we can take the difference of 2 centimeters. Okay. So here we get 8 equal parts. So the first part we can write as 0. After 0 it is 1 by 8. This is 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, and this is 1, that is 8 by 8. Okay, so we have got all the rational numbers between 0 and 1. Okay, not all, this rational numbers. Okay, now 1 by 8 we have to represent. Then we will circle over here. This point is 1 by 8 over the number line. Okay. Next come to minus 5 by 7. Minus 5 by 7 means it is a negative rational number. That means it will lie on the left hand side of 0. Okay. Again the same process. And the denominator is 7. That means we have to divide this number line into 7 equal parts. Okay, so minus 5 by 7. So minus the number which is just less than minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. No, we can't convert into whole number or integer. Minus 7 by 7. Minus 7 by 7 is minus 1. Okay. That means this number, and we can obviously write 0 by 7, that means 0. That means this number lies between 0 and minus 1. Okay. So here we will mark it as 0. Now let us take the ruler, and if this point is 0, then 7 equal parts means we can divide it in 2 centimeters. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 0 and this point will be our minus 1. Minus 1 means minus 7 by 7. Okay. So this will be minus 1 by 7 and this one is minus 2 by 7. Similarly 3 by 7, minus 4 by 7, minus 5 by 7 and minus 6 by 7. Okay. So we have to represent minus 5 by 7. So we will make a circle over here. Minus 5 by 7. So it is very easy process to represent the rational number on the number line. Now let us move to next question. Next is how to find out rational numbers between two given rational numbers. This is very easy. Here, just we have to recall one concept of fraction, and how to take out equivalent fraction of a given fraction. Okay, suppose we have given 3 by 5. Okay, how to take out the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5? We need to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, that is 30 by 50. This is equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Or we can multiply this with 100 as well. Both the numerator and the denominator, we have to multiply with the same number. So it is 300 by 500. This is also equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Okay. Now using this concept only, we will find the rational numbers. Now let us check how. Let us take very easy example. Half and 3 by 5. Okay, between half and 3 by 5, we have to find rational numbers. Okay. Now half, and this is 3 by 5 equals to we have to multiply with both the denominator with the number, so that here we get the same denominator. Multiply here by 5, I will get 10. Okay, and if we multiply 5 with 2, we will get 10. Both the denominator became same. Okay, so the numerator here we have to multiply by 5. Okay, that means 5 by 10. That means 5 by 10 is the equivalent fraction of half. Okay, or equivalent number of half. And here we have to multiply this numerator by 2, as we have multiplied the denominator with 2, so it is 6 by 10. That means 6 by 10 is the equivalent rational number of 3 by 5. Okay. Now it became easier for us to find rational numbers between 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. But no, 5 then 6. Then in between we cannot write very easily. Okay, now what to do? Again we have to multiply this. Again our equivalent number we have to find. Multiply this, say again 10 and 10, both the numerator and denominator. That means 50 by 100. Okay. Now let us multiply this also by 10. Again it will become 60 by 100. Now you may ask why I have multiplied 10 and 10, because let's see in the answer ultimately we have got the same denominator. So no issue. We can multiply with by 10, or if you want you can multiply with bigger number such as 100,000 like this also, or 20, 50. Those numbers are also okay. Now between 50 by 100 and 60 by 100, we can write 9 rational numbers. Okay. 51 by 100, 52 by 100, 53 by 100, 54 by 100, 55 by 100, 56 by 100, 57 by 100, 58 by 100 and 59 by 100. So we have got 9 rational numbers between 50 by 100 and 60 by 100. Ultimately, that means we have got these 9 rational numbers between half and 3 by 5. As 50 by 100 and 60 by 100 are just equivalent number of half and 3 by 5. Okay, this is very easy. Now, if you want to find more rational numbers between this 9 we have got 9 rational numbers, but I want more rational numbers between half and 3 by 5. So up to here we have got that these numbers are just equivalent rational numbers of half and 3 by 5. Now let us multiply 5 by 10 with the same numbers to 100. That means 500 by 1000. And similarly 6 by 10 we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 100, that is 600 by 1000. Okay, now here between, see the denominators are same, between 500 and 600 we can get 99 rational numbers. Say how? 500 1 by 1000, 500 2 by 1000. So the total 500, this is 5, okay. 541 by 1000, 542 by 1000, 598 by 1000, 599 by 1000. Okay, so this is the easiest method to find out any number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. And one more point you have to notice here that between two rational numbers we can find infinite numbers of rational numbers. Okay, how? See, first we have got 9 rational numbers, now we are getting 99. Now if we multiply with bigger number here, suppose we have multiplied here by 1000, that means we will get 5000 by 10,000, and here we will get 6000 by 10,000. Now here we will get 999 rational numbers between 5000 by 10,000 and 6000 by 10,000. Similarly, if we keep on multiplying with bigger numbers, we will get more and more rational numbers between half and 3 by 5. That means between two given rational numbers, there are infinite number of rational numbers which we can find very easily. Okay, now let us move to the next question. Exercise 1.2. See, if you have any doubt or any question in your mind, just comment below. I will make another video to make your concept more clear. Now come to exercise 1.2. Represent these numbers on the number line. So number 1 is 7 by 4. So as we have discussed, first what we have to do, we have to find out two whole numbers between which 7 by 4 lies. Okay, so 0 by 4, it is obvious 0. Okay, now 1 by 4, no. 2 by 4, no, we can't convert this into a whole number or integer. 3 by 4, no. 4 by 4, yes, it is equals to 1. And we have not got our desired number 7 by 4. So let us continue with 5 by 4, no. 6 by 4, no. 7 by 4, it is in the question only. 8 by 4 is 2. That means our number lies between 0 and 2. Okay. So let us mark it as 0 and 2. That means 8 by 4. Okay, now your question is, in how many parts we have to divide the number line, as the denominator is 4. See, we have to divide the number line into 4 equal parts up to 1. Then after 1 again 4 equal parts. Let me show you how. Let us mark 2 here. It will become easy for us to represent. Let us mark at 60. This is 2. 8 by 4. Okay. Then our 1 will be at 8. Just half. 1. 4 by 4. Okay. That means between 0 and 1, we have to make 4 equal parts. 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 equal parts, and after 1, that means between 1 and 2 again we have to make 4 equal parts. So 10, will. So here we can mark it as 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. With this one means your 4 by 4. It is 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, and this is 8 by 4. Now these are numbers 7 by 4, so we will make a circle over here. Okay, I think this is clear to you. Now next question is number 2, minus 5 by 6. Again we have to find the closest integers between which minus 5 by 6 lies. Okay, just close number is that means the number which is less than minus 5 is minus 6. So minus 6 by 6 is minus 1. And obviously 0. Okay, that means this number lies between 0 and minus 1. 0. And we have to divide this number line into 6 equal parts as the denominator is 6. 6 equal parts. No, now 6 multiplied by 2, that means if we divide this number line by 2 centimeter is 12. 12 and 0. Okay. So this is 0 and minus 1. So let us divide it into 6 equal parts. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So minus 1 means what? This one is minus 6 by 6. This is minus 5 by 6. Minus 4 by 6. Minus 3 by 6. Minus 2 by 6. And this one is 1 by 6. Now our number is minus 5 by 6. So we will make a circle over here. Okay. Okay, next question. Okay, here I represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, and minus 9 by 11 on the number line. So denominators are same for all the rational numbers, 11. Okay, same process again. So it is quite clear now. Minus 11 by 11 is minus 1, and 0 by 11 is 0. So these numbers minus 2, minus 5, minus 9. Minus 2, minus 5, minus 9 lies between 0 and minus 1. Minus 11, sorry. 0 and minus 11. Okay. So 0 by 11 and minus 11 by 11 is 0 and this is minus 1. Okay. So the denominator is 11. That means we have to divide this number line into 11 equal parts. So if we want to divide this number line by 2 centimeter, that means up to 22 we have to take. Why 22? Why it is 22? Because 11 multiplied by 2 is 22. Okay. So it will be here it is 0 and it will be minus 1 means minus 11 by 11. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, we have got 11 equal parts. Now we will mark the numbers. This is minus 1 by 11 minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 4 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11, minus 9 by 11, minus 10 by 11, and this is minus 11 by 11. Okay, so which numbers we have to make circle? Minus 2 by 11. Let us make a circle over here. Next is minus 5 by 11. Minus 5 by 11. Then minus 9 by 11. Minus 9 by 11. Okay. So we have got the result. Okay. It's very easy. Now next question is number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. See, smaller than 2, we can write very easily that 1, then 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These are the 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Okay. But if we want to find out with a particular method, then what to do? 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Now let us multiply the numerator and the denominator with 10 set. So 20 by 10. Now 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So we have to write the numbers which are smaller than 20 by 10. So we can write 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10. These all numbers are smaller than 2. Okay, and these are rational numbers. This answer is also correct. This answer is also correct, but you can do in this process also. These are 2 methods I have shown you. This you can write directly, and if you want to follow a proper method, then you can go with this method also. Okay. Now next question. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and half. Okay. We know that there are infinite rational numbers between the given rational numbers. So it is very easy to find out only 10 rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 10 by 2. So first we have to make the denominator same. So how to do that? Minus 2 by 5 multiplied by to find out a number. And here half multiplied by 4. We have to make the denominator same here. So 5 multiplied by 2, all the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So if we multiply by 2, we will get 10. 2 minus 4. Now here if we multiply it by 5, denominator will be 10, 5. Now our denominator is 6. Now between minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10, there are many rational numbers. So that we can write minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, and 4 by 10. So how many numbers we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers we have got. But we want 10 rational numbers between these 2 numbers. So let us make the denominator bigger. Okay. Let us multiply minus 4 by 10 with 10. That is both numerator and denominator. Minus 40 by 100. And here 5 by 10 multiplied by 10. This is 50 by 100. Okay, now between minus 40 and 50, we will get many numbers as the denominators are same. So we can write minus 39 by 100, 38 by 100, 37 by 100. Only 10 we have to write. There are many. So 35 by 100 and minus 1 by 100. This will also come. And we can write 1 by 100 and 41 by 100 as well. We can write 42 by 100, 49 by 100. So we have got the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 4. Yes, 10. So these are the 10 rational numbers that we have written between minus 2 by 5 and half. Okay. You can choose other numbers also. Say, I have not written all the numbers. There are many numbers left between minus 40 and 50. Sorry, minus 40 by 100 and 50 by 100. We have written only 10 as our question is. We have to write only 10 rational numbers. Okay, these are 10 rational numbers between these two numbers. I think this is clear to you. Now let us move to the next question. Find 5 rational numbers between. Again, same. Okay. So this is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So the LCM of 3 and 5 is what? 15. Okay. That means we have to convert the denominator as 15. So multiply with 5, 15 and this is 10. And 4 by 5. We have to make it 15. So 3. Now 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So 15, 15 is same, and between 10 and 12, we will get two rational number 11 by 15. Sorry, only one rational number 11 by 15. Now let us make the denominator more bigger. Let us multiply both the numerator and denominator with 10. So it is 100 and this is 150. And this number 12 by 15 also we will multiply with 10. We will get 120 by 150. So that means now between 100 by 150 and 120 by 150 we have to find 5 rational numbers. So it is very easy. 101 by 150, 102 by 150, 103 by 150, 111 by 150. Choose any number. 119 by 150. Okay. So these 5 rational numbers we have written between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay. Now next one is we have to find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Again the LCM of these two denominators 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is equals to 6. Okay, so minus 3 by 2. We have to make the denominator 6 multiplied by 3 and numerator also multiplied by 3 minus 9 by 6. Now 5 by 3, make the denominator 6, so we will multiply it with 2 and the numerator also 2. 10 by 6. So between minus 9 and 10, we can easily get 5 numbers, rational numbers. Minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 9 by 6. These are the 5 rational numbers that we have written between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Okay. Now next question is, write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. So minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1. Now let us multiply 10. So it will become minus 20 by 10. The rational numbers greater than minus 2. So greater than minus 2 is minus 19 by 10. See, in case of negative, it will become the opposite. Okay. Minus 20 is less than minus 19, which is less than minus 18. Okay. So, minus 18 by 10. Or positive numbers, you can also write 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10. So, these are the 5 rational numbers that we have written, which is greater than minus 2. Okay. You can write more. Here, as we have given only 5 rational numbers, that's why I have written 5. You can write, say, 11 by 10, 100 by 10. Okay, these are also then 500, 1 by 10. These are also greater than minus 2. As we want only 5, so here we have written 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. Next. Number 7. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay. Again, our denominator is 5 and 4. So, CM of 5 and 4 is 20. So, make the denominator same. 3 by 5. Let's make it 20. Multiply by 4. So, 12 by 20. 3 by 4. Multiply it with 5. So, 15 by 20. So, we have to find 10 rational numbers. Now, between 12 by 20 and 15 by 20, we will get 3 rational numbers. So, we have to make the rational numbers, or we have to multiply it with a given number. So, 120 by 200, let us multiply this with 10, numerator and denominator, and 15 by 20, multiply it with 10. It will become 150 by 200. Now, between 120 by 200 and 150 by 200, we can write 121 by 200, 131 by 200, 135 by 200, 10, no? 139 by 200, 18. Between 120 and 150. 141 by 200, 142 by 200, 143 by 200, 144 by 200, 145 by 200. So, how many numbers have got? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, one more. We can write 149 by 200. So, these are the 10 rational numbers that we have found between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay. So, here we have completed our first chapter, rational numbers. Okay. Now, see, if you have any confusion, just comment below your question or your query. I will make another video to make your confusion clear. Okay. Now, in next video, we will discuss chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. Until then, goodbye, have a good day, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.